Hello and welcome again to my YouTube channel. As some of you know, I drive all around America and I'm driving as solo from long time now. It gets really boring sometimes. Ooh, just check out the sky. It's orange and yellow. Very nice view. This is a rest area for trucks. So all the drivers, we come here and stay for a while, take some rest, take some shower, have our dinner or lunch or whatever. Like worst situation you can see over there, my truck is standing in there. Simulators, there are so many trucks standing over here. What do you get? Okay, so I'm going towards my truck. I hope the weather doesn't get worse than this, but I think it's gonna snow at night. I'm not sure, but let's hope for the best. Okay, in next videos I'll try to show you how to back up the truck or these kind of videos, but right now my truck is a little bit shy, so it doesn't come in front of the camera. I'm trying my best to bring him on. Whoa, that's what I was afraid of. Okay, it's snowing now and it's like a snowstorm. I need to get out from here as soon as the road gets slippery, because it gets really like icy, so I don't want to be in a trouble. You can see some people say that trucking, we drivers, we earn a lot of money, but they do not see this shit coming, like a snowstorm, or we drive a lot, even our asses get like flat every time we are like on the truck. We are shaking our asses on the truck. It's not very easy job. You can see it's snowstorm. Who can do this? Can you do this? Okay. Come on. I need to get out from here as soon as possible. Go, go, go.